Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. Now, usually I do not film in the week. However, currently we have, our bad auntie, Storm Emma, visiting, and this is the second day of her visit. And yeah, that's why, if you're wondering why I have my fluffy, cozy, warm dressing gown on, that is why. If that bothers you, I do apologize. So anyway, we have Storm Emma currently in the UK, and which I know in some parts of the UK it's normal to snow in winter, right? But the day that I'm filming this is the 1st of March, and we actually have a snowstorm, but yeah, I'm pretty sure this is part of the Siberian winter coming over. Yeah, I'm at home and I will do this video for you guys. So let's just jump right into it. I will scoop you in closer, and yeah, we're just going to get this started, shall we? Okay, this should be close enough, I think. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to take the color Cream from the Mini Lorac Pro Blue palette. This color here. Okay, I will be taking this color here. I'm pretty sure this color is from CREASE or Essence. Raglan Photo Ready 520 watercolor aquarelle, and I will be using this color here. I'm gonna take the color from the Urban Decay palette, this color here next. It is called a Ump. This color here, guys. I'm just quickly gonna take the brush that I have previously used on the light blue and just kind of blend out the edges just a little bit. We are gonna actually take concealer, and for that I will be using my CREASE Camouflage Cream in the color 010 Ivory. It looks like this, and I'm just going to create a really low cut crease. A lower cut crease than you usually would. Okay. So I actually can't remember what Christy done at this point. So I'm gonna use this color here. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner first. Next, I will be taking a bluish kind of a color to reflect what we have done on the eye previously. This color here. And for the last color, I will be taking the Sleek eyeshadow palette. It's the Glory 767, and I will be taking this color here. I will quickly do the other eye off camera, and I will be back with this eye hopefully looking somewhat similar to this one. Okay. Okay, so I finished my other eye now. Now I know this is quite dramatic. Okay, so on the inside I will use that blue. Then I will be using the light color. And then at the end I will go in with the purple. They have also a negative space in between the cut crease. However, I decided to add some glitter instead, and for that I will be using the Blank Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner in the color Glitz 1. So it looks like this, very affordable and very good. And what I will do is I'm just gonna put like the tiniest amount of glitter just in between or on the edge of the cut crease. Lash Couture Smoky Eyes Volume Lashes, and they look like this. Now finally with the lashes on, and I will say that these lashes took me longer to apply than I care to admit. Now I don't really tend to wear lashes on myself very often because they are just too difficult, okay? But I think that if you're very good at applying lashes, that you would really like these lashes. And I'm going in with the Kiko liner. If you watch any previous videos, you know that I'm just trying to use it up and I don't actually really like it. Right. Now we're going to go in with the mascara just to connect these two lashes a little bit better. Going to do the foundation, and for that I will be using the Dermaco foundation. This gel liner in Crybaby. We're going to quickly spray the face to set it, and for that I'm using the NYX Zero Finish setting spray. It looks like this. I will be using the highlighter. And I think the only thing that really suits this theme is the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Ice Cold. Now I'll probably cut out the point where I highlight my nose, and I put like a lot of highlight on my cheeks, like a lot. It's a lot, like a lot. And a little bit on my top of my Cupid's bow, and of course under my eyebrows as well. I'm gonna be using the Lumiere lippy stick that is matte from Colourpop. I really want to pair this lipstick with another lipstick that I have had for a long time, and I have loved. This lipstick has come in handy many times, and the lipstick I'm talking about is from L'Oreal. It looks like this, and it's in the color 01 Fashionista Pink. and I will just apply this color in the middle. We actually made it to the end of the video, who would have thought? And yeah, this is my finished look. Let's get closer so you can see. What do you think? I think it turned out really well. This has been all for this video. Thank you Storm Emma for making this possible, because if I wasn't home today, I probably wouldn't have time to do this. The bright side of life, right? Not that I'm stuck home and I can't go anywhere. But yeah, this has been all for this video, for the third time. I hope you have enjoyed this look. Please let me know if there is any type of a look that you would like me see doing, or using any of the products that I have previously mentioned, or any type of a review. If I can, I will. And yeah, this has been all for this week. I hope that you are safe wherever you are, and have a good day, morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. And I will see you. Oh, I will insert some pictures before I forget this time. But yeah guys, I will see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye!